Hey everybody, it is Tim from ISTT. I hope everyone's doing great. So let's talk about those updates and patch reminders that you might be ignoring. So there are thousands of threat actors who get up every morning with one goal in mind, and that's to find a new vulnerability in commonly installed software like Adobe, Microsoft Office, Chrome, and QuickBooks to gain access to millions of their users. That's why companies frequently issue patches and updates for known security flaws. And once a known vulnerability is announced via patch, hackers will get to work like crazy trying to figure out how to use the vulnerability to access those users who are lazy about installing their updates. So that's why it's very important for you to be diligent about installing your updates to your software programs as soon as possible. If you have any questions regarding security patches, cybersecurity, or how to better protect your business from threat actors, just hit me up at the contact information below. My name is Tim from ISTT, where we're dedicated to your security. Everybody take care and stay safe out there.